Good morning to everybody. Open loop op-amp configurations. In the case of amplifiers, the term open loop indicates that no connection, that is no feedback connection, exists between input and output terminals of any type. That is, the output signal is not fed back in any form as part of the input signal. In circuit, for example, in any circuit such as amplifier or operational amplifier, which is without any connection between input and output, then it is said to be open loop configuration circuit. For example, amplifier or any operational amplifier. In open loop configuration, the operational amplifier functions as high gain amplifier. There are three open loop op-amp configurations. The first one, differential amplifier. Second one, inverting amplifier configuration. Third one, non-inverting amplifier configuration. Now come to first one, differential amplifier. Open loop op-amp configuration. Diagram. So here operational amplifier with two inputs. So this is inverting input and this is non-inverting input, and two inputs VIN1 and VIN2 are open loop differential amplifier in which input signal VIN1 and VIN2 are applied to the positive and negative input terminals. Since the operational amplifier amplifies the difference between the two input signals, this configuration is called the differential amplifier. The op-amp amplifies both AC and DC input signals. The source resistance Rn1 and Rn2 are normally negligible compared to the input resistance Ri. Therefore, voltage drop across these resistances can be assumed to be zero. Therefore, V1 equal to VIN1 and V2 equal to VIN2. The output voltage VO equal to AD into VIN1 minus VIN2. Here AD is the open loop op-amp gain. Next, the second one, the inverting amplifier. If the input is applied to only inverting terminal and a non-inverting terminal is grounded, then it is called inverting amplifier. The operational amplifier is said to be in inverting configuration. This configuration is shown in the figure. See here operational amplifier, and one and only one input VIN is applied at inverting terminal and the non-inverting terminal is grounded. At output there is a corresponding output signal. If V1 equal to 0 volts and V2 equal to VIN, that is then the corresponding output voltage VO equal to minus AD into VIN. Here AD represents the operational amplifier open loop gain. The negative indicates that the output voltage is out of respect to input signal or 180 degrees. that is, the output signal is of opposite polarity when compared with the input signal in inverting amplifier. Thus, the input signal is amplified and inverted also. Next, the third one, the non-inverting amplifier. Now, this is the open loop configuration. Third one, the non-inverting amplifier. If the input voltage is applied to non-inverting terminal and inverting terminal is grounded, then it is known as non-inverting amplifier. Operational amplifier is said to be in non-inverting configuration. The corresponding circuit is shown in the figure. So here this is the operational amplifier with two input terminals and one output terminal. At non-inverting terminal, the one and only one input VIN is applied and the inverting terminal is grounded. If V1 equal to VIN, that is the V2 equal to 0 volts, then the corresponding output voltage VO equal to AD into VIN. Here AD is the open loop gain of operational amplifier. This means that the input voltage is amplified by the open loop gain AD and there is no phase reversal at the output. In all three configurations under open loop operational amplifier, any input signal slightly greater than 0 drives the output to saturation level. This is because of very high. When operated in open loop, the output of the operational amplifier is either negative or positive saturation or switches between positive and negative saturation levels. Therefore, the open loop operational amplifier is not used in linear applications. The open loop gain of the operational amplifier is very high. Only the smaller signals, that is at microvolts range, having very low frequency, those only amplified accurately without any distortion. The voltage gain varies with the changes in temperature and power supply as well as mass production techniques. The variations in voltage gain are relatively large, particularly in open loop operational amplifier. This makes the open loop operational amplifier unsuitable for many linear applications. In most linear applications, the output is proportional to the input and is of the same type. Bandwidth for open loop operational amplifier is negligibly small, it's almost all 0. Operational amplifier is not suitable for AC applications. For example, for IC741, the bandwidth equal to 5 Hz. For AC applications, a bandwidth more than 5 is needed. So that's why the open loop is not suitable for AC applications. Thank you.